How to use Instagram Threads 2023. Hi guys, so in this video I'll teach you how to use Instagram Threads 2023. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the right end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, let's open our threads right here. You can download that on your Play Store or App Store. Now once you have opened that, this will appear right here, so let's just wait for this to load. And in here you can log in with Instagram. So you can just choose that in order to easily log in to your threads since this is connected to Instagram. So as you can see right now, it is loading on our home screen, so let's just wait for it. So in here, if you want to create a thread, you can just click on this icon right here, and in here you can start a thread. Hi, and you can also add in something to it, which is start a new thread. And then in here you can just add in as long as you want, and then click on post right here in order to post that specific thread. So as you can see, it is posting right now. So the next thing that we can do on Threads is to click on the search icon right here, and from in here you can see our search for the people that you want to follow. So for example, you want to follow John, so you can just search for them right here and click on the follow button right here in order to follow them. So the next thing is this icon right here, which is the heart icon. This serves as the activity on our threads. You can see all of the activities that you have. You can see the follows, the replies, the mentions, quotes, reposts, verified, all of that. So in here you can see your profile icon, wherein it will direct you to your profile page. You can edit your profile right here, so let's click on edit right here. And from there you can edit your bio. You can also set this as private profile and click on done right here and click on OK. As you can see right here, Threads is connected to Instagram, so you have the same name and the same username on Threads and Instagram. You can also click on this to share your profile, so click on this and you can copy your link and send it to a friend. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to use Instagram Threads. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.